Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, new brand at Sephora. Well, not a new brand, but Sephora is now carrying a new brand, and they're a Black-owned brand. So if you want to know more, let's go. Okay, so I kind of mentioned it in the video that I uploaded on Sunday because I was getting ready to go to the launch event that the brand had, but Range Beauty, it's a Black-owned brand, is now available at Sephora online. You would have to be an OG, but I did do a video on them years ago, literally years ago, like way before the pandemic, stuff like that. Well, maybe not way before, but literally years. And I was saying in that video that it's exciting to watch growth happen like that, especially when it's like slow growth, because baby, sometimes when that growth is slow, you wake up every day like, when is it? When is it going to be my turn? When is it going to be my day? So when you finally do see it be the day for some people, you're very happy for them. Like I said, met the owner at the event. Very sweet. Love that moment for her. I'm looking at what they have available. So they have the Range Beauty True Intentions Hydrating and Soothing Primer with Vitamin E, the True Intentions Skin Soothing Hydrating Foundation, which comes in 21 colors. The Smooth Out Setting Powder, Talc-Free, comes in 4 colors. And then the Bali Face and Body Glow Oil, which I didn't know existed. Wait a minute. So I'm going to use the shade Boardwalk After 6 to do my foundation today. Now, it was the perfect shade match at the event, but it's also nighttime at the event, so we'll see. But I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that this is the shade that I used years ago. Yeah, I know I could have just looked up the video. But I also have like a couple shades, which when you got options, I had a couple shades, but I remember the name of the shade itself, that that was one of the options I was considering years ago. But let's see here. True Intention Skin Soothing Hydrating Foundation retails for $33 for 1 ounce. Like I said, comes in 21 shades. Boardwalk After 6 is the one that I have on. It is a deep neutral. Let's see here. A light to medium coverage oil-free foundation powered by gentle ingredients and shown to soothe redness and flare-ups and fight breakouts. Coverage is medium, finish is radiant. Formulation liquid. Let's see. This product is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, good for acne and eczema-prone skin. This lightweight formula glides on, offering the coverage you choose with a radiant finish that has everyone complimenting your skin, not your makeup. Forget caking or clogged pores. Range Beauty skin-loving blend of plant actives supports your skin barrier all day long. All right, so let's get to blending that out. You know, it's wintertime, so I can get away with the more radiant finish foundations. You see that match? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to go with my beauty blender, but this is the shade on my face. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did when I was getting ready for the event. However, this time it's the Fenty and Givenchy concealer. And I'm gonna still use the Hourglass. I used the Makeup by Mario setting spray before I blend out concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and then we'll be back for the full thing. Now, I don't know if it also just has to be like something about me, but lately the face has been facing, okay? It is 2:49 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna let it sit on my face for a little bit to see, you know, how I feel like the wear is now. But given the description, stuff like that, I feel like this is definitely more like winter, at least for my skin type. But we're gonna see how it looks by the end of the day. You know, it is New Year's Eve, so I will be cleaning my apartment, so we'll see how this holds up throughout all of that. But baby, yeah, I'll see you later. All right, wait a minute, because look at my face. It is 9:58 is my face looks like. Now, if you watched my yearly favorites video, then you know 2 of my favorite foundation I've been wearing together. Like, these are the 2 I was wearing when I went to the Range event, were the Patrick Ta and the NARS Natural Radiant. It's giving, if you want a foundation that fits in that family and Black owned, because look at my face. And mind you, I had filmed a video for something earlier. Like, it just looks good on camera, but it looks good in real life too. And the color match, baby, when she said blends in perfectly, when she, mind you, she swatched me in the dark at night, she wasn't playing. Because color match, yes, Tarte, black year round. But yeah, this is definitely where this foundation falls, and that like radiant natural finish foundation, just giving skin. But I also feel like my full face girlies, you'll like this one because it'll still give skin, it'll still look great on the skin, but you can still get full coverage with this one, because I definitely put on a little bit more foundation than I normally would. Now again, it is winter, but I'm still using those two foundations in the winter as well. I still use those two foundations throughout the summer as well. I think I've gotten to a point where I can make any foundation work for me depending on the time of the year. Wait a minute. Okay, Range Beauty. If I blot my face, where's my blotting paper? Where is my blotting paper? Blotting paper, face. Yeah, okay. I see 2025, we gonna see each other, okay? No, but like, look at my face once I blot. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I just wanted to let you know that this brand is now available at Sephora. It is 4 products, but that just means we get to watch as they evolve and the more products that they're going to bring. You know, if they ever come across this, I'm just saying, lip liner, blush, concealer, setting spray, lipstick. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.